Okay, now, so after understanding about ordered pair and the cross product and union and intersection, now we are going to discuss about relation. Relation. In mathematics, generally relation is a word when are like in everydays we know like I am your teacher, so I am connected with you and you are my student. So there is a relation between you and me, student and teacher. Similarly, Similarly, friends relation. There are so many other relation, but that is not counted as in maths. In mathematics, relation means connecting the two elements like x and y are connected with any certain rule. So relation is kindly say it is a rule. Means we are finding those who satisfy a particular rule, that is called a relation. So now let us take an example. Suppose a set is given 1, 2, 3. Another set is taken B and the elements are 2, 3. These are the two set is given. So first we find A cross B. First we find A cross B. So it is coming 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 2 comma 2 and 2 comma 3, 3 comma 2 and 3 comma 3. This is the A cross B. So whenever we are finding the relation, we always require between two sets is A cross B. After finding A cross B, now please pay attention. The question is saying find a relation R. R is relation. Find a relation R is equal to. Is equal to. This is a relation is equal to. Is equal to means x is before is you can write x is equal to y. This is the exactly meaning of this statement. Question is saying find a relation R is equal to. So is equal to means x is equal to y. Question is only saying is equal to. You can write before is x and after 2 is y. So this statement is completed here. X is equal to y. So here R, this is writing R. R is representing a relation. Now we are finding the pairs, the ordered pair which are satisfying this condition, this rule. That is why relation is known as a rule in mathematics is equal to. So in this case, 1 is equal to 2, 1 is equal to 3, 2 is equal to 2. Only this pair is satisfying this rule, that is 2 comma 2 and then 3 comma 3. So there are so many ordered pair, but only these two pair will satisfy this relation. Now again a question is saying R is a relation, R is a relation is less than, is less than. Is less than means x is less than y. So in this case, now we are finding a new relation in this ordered pair form. To such those ordered pair which satisfy this rule is less than means x is less than y. So x is less than y, 1 is less than 2, yes. 1 is less than 3, yes. 2 is less than 2, no. 2 is less than 3, 2 is less than 3, 3 is less than 2, no. 3 is less than 3, no. So only these three ordered pair will satisfy this rule. So in this exercise, the sets are given. First we find A cross B and there is a relation is given. With the help of that relation, we can choose that particular ordered pair which satisfy this relation. If somewhere a relation is mentioned and this is not appear in this, so the relation is null set. Means this relation is not possible in this ordered pair. So now the way of representing the relation, how many methods you can say? There are three methods or there are three ways. There are three ways to represent the relation. It is mentioned in a problem which type of in which way you can write the relation. The first one is like roster form, also known as tabular form, means writing the pair in ordered pair form, and second is set builder form, and the third one is by arrow diagram. By arrow diagram. So it is mentioned in a problem in which way you are going to represent a relation. So roster form means writing the ordered pair in this ordered pair form is representing the roster or tabular form. Set builder form means x comma y such that x and y belongs to natural number and the relation x plus y is equal to 5 is given in this manner. So writing this is representing set builder form and by arrow diagram like this. So let us take a question so you can better understand the meaning of these three ways to represent the relation. Suppose a relation is given R, directly a relation is given R x comma y such that x and y belongs to natural number x plus y is equal to 6. Write this relation in ordered pair form. Ordered pair form. So this relation is written in which form? Set builder form, and we are going to write in which form? Ordered pair form. Means what element, what number we can choose to put here so that the sum becomes 6. So again, y is equal to 6 minus x. Now x is taken 1. So y is coming 5. X is taken 2. So y is coming 4. X is taken 3. So y is coming 3. X is taken 4. So y is coming 2. And x is taken 5. So y is coming 1. When we take x is 6. So y is coming 0. But 6 is a natural number, but 0 is not a natural number. That is why we cannot take x is 6. So we can choose only these values. So relation is writing in this ordered pair form, right? 1 comma 5, 1 comma 5, then 2 comma 4, then 3 comma 3, then 4 comma 2, then 5 comma 1. So this is the way we can write a relation in this form. If the question is saying write in ordered pair form, so these are the two circles, oval shaped circles, writing 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1 is connected to 5, 2 is connected to 4, 3 is connected to 3 and 4 is connected to 2 and 5 is connected to 1. You can put the arrow so that it's giving the direction. This is x and this is y. So this is the way we can write the element in this form. Now after that, a very important thing about in this relation, that is domain. Domain. Basically domain means that is input. Input, that means value of x. Value of x. This is the meaning of domain. And the range means whatever the output is coming, that is the value of y. Value of y. Very important. When we discuss about real valued function, this is very important thing, domain and range. Domain means whatever the domain. In this case, a relation is given in this form. You have written this relation in this ordered pair form and writing in this arrow diagram form. After that, the question is saying find the domain. So you can write domain. Domain is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And what is the range? Range is again 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Domain and range is always the subset of the set, which is the set is given to the relation, that they are the always the subset of that part. So this is the meaning of domain and range. Let us take some more questions to understand about domain and range. Suppose a relation is given R x comma x cube, x comma x cube, such that x is a prime number less than 10. X is the prime number less than 10. So this is a relation. You will see this relation is written in which form? Whenever the such that and the statement wise thing are written, it is known as set builder form. The question is saying write in roster form. Write in roster form. Second, find domain. And third, find range. The question is find domain and then find range. So in this case, first of all, x is a prime number less than 10. So firstly, write the prime number which is less than 10. That is x belongs to 1 is neither prime nor composite. 2 is a prime number. 3 is a prime number. 5 is a prime number and 7 is a prime number. These are the prime numbers. So x is now ordered pair, when x is 2 and 2 cube become 8, then R is writing in this manner. When we put 3 here, 3 cube is 27. When we put 5 cube is 125. And then we put 7 cube is 343. So this is the 7 into 7 into 7. It's 49 into 7, 7 9 is 63, 6, 7 4 is 28 or 634. So 343. So this is the way we can write the relation in which form? Roster form. If suppose the question is saying write in arrow diagram, so we can write in this manner like 2, 3, 5, 7, it is 8, 27, 125, 343. 2 connected to 8, 3, this and this, like this. So this is the way we can present the relation in roster form and arrow diagram. Now question is saying find domain. So as you know, domain means the values of x. So you will write domain. Domain is 2, 3, 5 and 7. 2, 3, 5 and 7. This is domain, and the range is coming 8, 27, 125 and 343. So this is the way we can find the domain and range in the relation. So in exercise 2.1, there are exercise 2.1 which contain the ordered pair, union, intersection, and how to find number of relation. And the second exercise, that exercise 2.2, it's a very easy exercise to find relation. The relation is given and the question saying write in which form? Roster form, find the domain and find the range. So these type of the questions are coming in relation. Now suppose a relation is given. So first of all, the relation is given in which form? In which form is given in set builder form, and we are writing in roster form. Now suppose a relation is given like 2 comma minus 1. A relation is given, is written 2 comma 1, 4 comma 7, 2 comma 1, 4 comma 7, 1 comma minus 2, dash dash dash, and so on. The question saying write the linear relation. Write the linear relation. There is a important word, linear. So as you know, in class 10 you have already done about linear relation. Whenever x and y are connected with a linear relation, that is y is equal to mx plus c, a straight line, because it is a Cartesian plane. Whenever we are draw a line, this line contain points, that means containing x and y, the pair, and which satisfy the equation of line. So whenever the question saying linear relation, means linear means the degree of x and y must be 1. It is a relation you can form in your way. B is equal to ax plus d in this manner. P is equal to qx plus alpha, means a variable along with some any constant value along with x, and it is y. It is y. A and d are the constants. So let us take the question is, so you can, this is a very important, you can always think about linear relation, that is y is equal to mx plus c and x and y has degree is 1. So, and if you want to frame, you can frame according to yourself, but it is the ultimate y is equal to mx plus c. So this is a relation is written, you will see it is written in ordered pair form, and the question find the linear relation. So let linear relation in R is y is equal to mx plus c. This is a relation we can choose. If this is a relation is suitable for this relation, so this ordered pair must satisfy. This ordered pair must satisfy this relation. This is x, this is y. In place of y, we can put 1. M in place of x is 2c. So it is 2m plus c is equal to 1. This is equation number 1. Again, this relation, this ordered pair, sorry, to satisfy this relation, so it is x and it is y. In place of y, writing 7. In place of x, writing 4m plus c. This is equation number 2. Now we have to solve these two equations simultaneously. So it is 2m plus c is equal to 1 and it is 4m plus c is equal to 7. When we subtract, this c is cancelled, it is minus 2m, this is minus 2m is equal to minus 6. So m is equal to 3. After finding the value of m, we need the value of c also. So this m is putting here. So 2 into 3 plus c is equal to 1. 6 plus c is 1. So c is equal to minus 5. After finding the value of m and c, the relation become the linear relation is y is equal to mx plus c. So in place of m, y is equal to 3x minus 5. This is a relation is formed. So whenever the question is saying sometimes a relation is given in ordered pair form and the question is find linear relation. So linear relation you can choose y is equal to mx plus p. Take two ordered pair and satisfy to find m and c and put it again to get a linear relation. If you want to check whether your question, whatever the relation you have find, it is correct or not. So we have made this linear relation with the help of these two ordered pair. This is the third one. If this third one is satisfied, it is means satisfy means the value of x and y will substitute in this y. In place of y writing minus 2, 3 in place of x writing 1 minus 5, minus 2 it is minus 2. It means yes, it is the accurate relation, linear relation between for this ordered pair. So exercise 2.2 is based on these concepts. Please try to solve and ask your query. Thank you very much for today's class.